Hello everybody. Namaskar. Sat Sri Akal. Adab. Nice connecting with all of you during this difficult time of Corona. Anyway, there's one thing I would like to start our video with, and that is we all can come out of this crisis by means of being positive in life. All you have to do is cultivate positivity and all good things will happen. All is well. Now we at Jade have designed a beautiful module for the workforce called Enliven Your Workplace. We will tell you how we would help your organization to grow. Do you know the success of an organization largely depends on its strong workforce? Well, a great man once said, take care of your employees and the employees in turn will take care of your organization. Well, this is very true. Also remember, a strong workforce can bring about a great change in your organization. Now, this is also very important. A leader must be positive minded and must have a focus, so also the employees. Well, a highly trained workforce can not only improve your organization but also ensure in the growth in leaps and bounds. Balance your productivity and also sales. From this side, you'll have to ensure that everything goes on well, including the delivery part. And on the other side, you'll have to ensure you have a strong sales force as well as a dealership network. Now, grooming your workforce should be of paramount importance to your organization. The next comes the technical training which has to be executed by the concerned team leaders and also the head of the organization. Never think motivational training is a cost and a waste. Yes, it will be very costly if motivational training for your organization is ignored. Now, once you complete the process of planning and strategy implementation, the next important thing is to get into action. Now, let us presume your workforce is highly skilled. Okay, but then again, they need a push which is called motivation. Now let me tell you the positive side of having a well-trained workforce. Now on the other side, let's presume you have a workforce who will work only when they are told or if they are given a push or if you show them some money, then your organization is in trouble. I shall give you a feedback about one of my friends in Bangalore whom I know for the last 20 years. He runs a company and suffers from a know-it-all attitude. He does not consult anybody. Today the end result is he has grown but not to that extent to which he should have grown. Now on the other side, I know another person who has grown in leaps and bounds. He had a very modest beginnings earlier, but now he's grown only because he consults a lot of people and engages the service of external agencies like the way we have done at Jade. Now, why should you engage the services of Jade and adopt this module called Enliven Your Workplace? We'll give you the reasons as to why you have to engage us. Now at Jade, we do the following for you. There is another important aspect which I would like to share with you. We will write a book for you to follow and then steer your company towards growth. Come to us and we will help you reach the top. We will hold the ladder for you to climb up. After all, the top of the ladder is never crowded. Come to us and we will have a win-win situation. We thank you very much for being with us in this video. Whatever we are today is because of your support. Thank you once again.